Hey, what's up YouTube? Mr. App for That coming at you with another video. In this video, I want to show you a neat app that a lot of you are really going to appreciate. It's called Vegan Maps. Vegan Maps. So if you are vegan or vegetarian or just trying to eat a little bit healthier, this is going to be the app for you guys. This app will show you restaurants in an area that are vegan inspired. All right. So if you take a look, my area here is the Metro Atlanta area. We're just going to click on search this area and boom, all kind of uh, restaurants pop up. You can also suggest a place as well. All right. And also up top here, you have filters where you can click on open now, raw options if you can do delivery or takeout. So that's pretty neat, guys. Pretty neat. And also, you can also look at the star rating as well, and if they accept Apple Pay and all of that good stuff. All right. And you also can specify what kind of cuisine you want as well. I also think this is very helpful too if you're going to be traveling. Let's say if you're doing a road trip or maybe even a longer trip, you can just go out like this, and let's look at Chattanooga. Let's say if I was doing a road trip to Chattanooga, it's only an hour and a half away, and you would go on the map right here, and then you would click search this area. Oh, nothing found. Wow. Oh, well, that's open now. I think I still had the filters on. Let me turn this filter off right here. All right, so now we're going to search the area because some of these places don't open until 11 or sometimes noon. All right, so as you can see here, boom, we got a few restaurants here in Chattanooga. So this is pretty good, guys. Pretty neat. I think you can search the area as well by just typing it in. So let's say if I was going to, Los Angeles. Here we go. Los Angeles, California. Whoa, look at that. Of course, that's no surprise. So Los Angeles, Cali is, very healthy place. I've been there several times. So anyway, guys, that's it for now. I just wanted to show you this app. You can also favorite things down here at the bottom. You can, save places to your favorites and add reviews. All right. And connect with other people as well. And you can use this without even signing up for email or putting your Facebook information in here. But if you want to, you can do that. And I'm sure you can share it with people and, with your social media. And you have your profile here. Okay, so that's not set up. So anyway, you don't have to set up a profile with this. You can just explore the options, and if you see a place that you want to go to later on, just save it or screenshot it, and keep it moving. So anyway, guys, that's it for now. Let me go back to my area. So that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Be sure to subscribe. We're almost at 10,000 subscribers. So at 10,000 subscribers, I probably will do a giveaway. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.